to another demo class. My name is Dolores Flores. I am part of EFI and Intecap. Today I will show you how to use this bullseye to practice the simple past tense with beginners. I hope you enjoy it. Let's start. Good morning, students. How are you?
Fine,
Hi,
teacher.
teacher.
Good morning.
Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you for coming. As you may remember, we have finished studying the simple past tense. And today it's a review, but we are going to do it through a game. Have you seen this? This is called the bullseye. Do you know how to play it? Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes. How do you play it, Evelyn?
Yes, we have to throw the
Uh-huh.
dart, and depending on the number that we have is the question that we are going to answer.
Exactly. That is correct. That is why we have several numbers here that indicate the question that you are going to be asked.
Okay.
But why do we have several numbers? Do you know?
Well, I guess that the higher the number, the more difficult it gets, right?
Exactly. That is why the easiest question is number 10, but you get only 10 points. But the most difficult is 100, and it's the most difficult question, and you have 100 points. Okay? So we are going to work in groups. You are going to be Raúl and Diana, you are the bees, and those are your icons, which might be your prizes if you win. And you are going to be the ladybugs. Okay? The name of the teams are here, and you are going to take turns to throw the dart. How are you going to decide how to throw the darts? It's up to you. Who goes first and who goes second? Okay, Christy, to review, what does each number indicate?
The question's difficulty.
Exactly. Very good. Okay, and ready to start?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, to decide which team goes first, we are going to flip the coin. Raúl, what do you choose? Face or cross?
Cross, please, teacher.
Okay. And it's face, so your team goes first. This is for you, and this is for you. Let's start. Please, from this position, you are going to throw the dart.
Okay.
Okay, this is yellow. So for 20 points,
25.
you may ask your classmate, what is the auxiliary verb for the third person singular in simple past?
Did.
Very good! So now you have 20 points.
Okay.
Hey.
Can you go first?
Okay.
Next.
Here.
Yeah, here.
Oh. How did you put it like this?
Like
80.
this? 80. For 80 points. Correct the mistake in the next sentence. Tom and Andy didn't play basketball.
Played.
It should be?
Should be didn't play.
Very good! Correct. So point for you for 80 points. Let's go to the last round.
Okay. Let's go, Christy.
Oh my God.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Okay.
For 60 points. Okay, ladybugs. Complete the following question. Did he coffee?
Did he drink coffee?
Very good. It's correct.
Come on, Dianita.
That's 60. Please. You have yours? This one, that's yours.
Okay.
Ooh, 80. But let's see if they can answer this one. This round is, why did you decide to study English?
The question is for me?
Yes.
Because I like to communicate with others.
Very good, and it's correct. So you have 80. So that means that now we have the bees as winners. So you may
Say goodbye
have
to your
bees
chocolates.
and no ladybugs. We'll see more later, so you may win. Okay, what did you learn through this activity? Could you tell me what do you think? Did you like it?
Yes, it was
we had
funny.
fun. Sorry. I learned a structure. We practiced the structure of the simple past, and it was fun, and it was nice to review in this way.
Very good, thank you. Yes, Raul, you were going to say something?
Yes, it makes us think faster, and we have to follow the grammar structure in both tenses, even present or past. It was really great.
Thank you. So that is the way we are going to be practicing. We can use this game, and that is good that you enjoy it. And that's all for today, class. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on social media. See you soon.